Hey guys, so this might be our very first look at the upcoming Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which has been spotted on the Chinese social web and it looks quite decent. There are rumors suggesting that the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is already in the works, but sadly we still don't know when it will be released because there is no official confirmation yet. However, thanks to this image, we get to take a look at its design and it's looking quite impressive. The image shows the device with a large circular camera module with Leica branding in the middle. We can see that the module houses 4 cameras and an LED flash. The back of the device appears to have a vegan leather finish, but it could be a prototype variant and the actual device could look very different. The reason why the device in the pic is speculated to be Xiaomi 13 Ultra is that we have already seen a leaked CAD render of the device earlier, and that is completely in line with this device in this leaked pic. Although the device design bears a striking resemblance to the Xiaomi 12s Ultra, there are some noticeable differences. Firstly, the camera module protrudes less on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra than it did on the 12s Ultra. Moreover, the back of the smartphone seems to be divided into 2 parts, with the upper section being elevated, which is kind of a unique design approach. When it comes to the specs, a leaked pic revealing the spec sheet of Xiaomi 13 Ultra was spotted earlier, so we can take the reference of it to assume the specs of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra with a pinch of salt. So as per the spec sheet, one of the key highlights of this phone is its powerful chip, that is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 overclocked edition, which promises excellent performance. The phone is also equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery, ensuring a long-lasting battery life. The screen of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will have a 2K resolution with a higher refresh rate, which we cannot tell the exact number, but we can expect it to be either 120 or 144 Hz screen, offering a great visual experience. The phone supports both wired and wireless charging, with the wired charging offering an impressive 90 Watt plus and wireless charging offering 50 Watt charging support. Now let's talk about the camera aspect. So the Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts a Leica 2.0 camera system with 4 camera lenses this time. The main camera has an IMX989 sensor and 4-axis OIS optical image stabilization. The phone also has a super wide IMX858 freeform surface lens and a portrait lens with medium focus equivalent to 2.6 optical zoom, as well as a periscope super telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The front camera is a 32 megapixel wide-angle lens that supports 2K 60fps video recording. Going by the spec sheet, it seems like the phone is IP68 dustproof as well as waterproof, and it also features a USB 3.0 port. It seems like the phone is slightly thicker and heavier than the standard Xiaomi 13 Pro which we have seen recently, and the camera area is also looking quite large, which may not be as visually appealing. So overall, it looks like the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a great phone for users who demand high performance and advanced photographic capabilities, but let's wait for the final piece. And we are going to keep an active eye on all the updates of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, so in case you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, just keep watching and keep smiling.